Good morning from the Head Turner's Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the bonnet struts on that XJR. Weather's lovely out here this morning, sun is shining. Yeah, bonnet struts on this XJR need to be replaced. So, pop your bonnet. Now when we lift this, you can see the bonnet wants to drop, doesn't want to lift itself up, and at this point here it can quite easily, see, just want to drop. It's a big heavy bonnet, so what we're going to do is change the struts. So one here. Now you should be able to do this with nothing but a flat blade screwdriver, so we'll get to work. To release these bonnet struts, we will just put a small flat screwdriver in here and in here, and just literally flick those little clips out, and then the strut will come off. And then using myself as a weight, just to hold the bonnet, I'll pop the new one on. The bonnet struts we need for this are the BEC 19809. These are from David Manners Group. It says on them X300 XJ8 95 to 03. So two of these do the job. So I'll give you a slightly better view of the action. These are the two struts that we've got. Just check these are definitely the same, so you've got the same connectors on either end. And the length is correct as well. Now the bonnet is rather heavy, so I've got a piece of wood there just as my fail-safe. So if for some reason I can't hold it up, which I should be able to, then I put up a piece of wood there as well. There, just push that one in. That really does not get any easier than that. And then we do the same for the other side. why we have that little bit of wood there, just to help us out. That's the other side in. Easy. So the struts are now in place. Easy job there. There's a difference already pushing that bonnet down. Need a lot more effort to put it down now. There you go. Now it takes itself up, which it wasn't doing before. When the bonnet's open halfway, it takes itself up now, nice and easy. Perfect. Much better, isn't it? And safer. So that's how to change your bonnet struts on your Jaguar X300, X308, XK8, XKR as well. Probably be the same part. Such an easy process to change those bonnet struts, and yeah, that bonnet isn't going to fall on me now, so job's a good one. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and stay tuned for more Jaguar.